MaxpeedingRods are some of the best coilovers that you can get on a budget-friendly build. These are going to go on my 98 Honda Civic, my daughter's car, and she really can't afford real expensive coilovers, so went ahead and got her some of these. Not only, like I said, these are a great budget-friendly coilover, you're going to get your toolkit in there. They are also dampening adjustment. You turn this knob right here and that's going to give you your rebound and how stiff it rides. So we're going to put it on the Honda Civic. It's a 98 Civic. Let's see how easy it goes on and see how it looks when we're done.
All right, old busted suspension. We do not know what this is, but now we're gonna put the max speed up in there. I'm gonna make her do it. Let's go. So we're just adjusting how we want it. This is already lowered, so it's already this much lower. So we can put them in this way if you want, and then raise them up from there.
Oh yeah, real low.
Yeah. We're gonna put them in this way, and then we'll drop it. How was your first suspension job? How easy was that? Right? Not too bad. All right, we're gonna lay it down and see where it sits because they are lower than what was on there. Yes. Let's go. All right, guys, everything's on and suspension is tightened down. Now we're gonna go ahead and adjust the damper. Got it clockwise all the way. We're just gonna go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That should be perfect right there. We'll set everything up on 12. Should give it a nice stiff-ish ride and then kind of adjust from there. Let's pull it outside and take a look at it. And there you go, guys, with some adjustment. We'll do a little bit of settling in the suspension and it will probably go a little bit lower, which is what she wants anyway, but it's perfect. This was basically out of the box other than a little bit of adjustment in the back, but everything else came out pretty dang good. Next, we go to paint. Again, Max Speed and Rod for sending out these coilovers. We appreciate you.